Today we're going to install special fasteners. We're going to use blind rivet, Cherry Max rivet. We're going to install it in a patch repair. We've already got the holes drilled up in it. So we want to turn the air on. First thing, make sure you have safety glasses or some sort of eye protection. Install our rivet. And squeeze. There, we have all of our fasteners installed in our repair. And so now I'm going to drill out one of the fasteners. And these being Cherry Max, they do have a locking mechanism in the center of the stem where the stem is removed. You want to drill that lock out first, and then it'll be just like drilling any other rivet. Once I have my lock drilled out, I want to take my center punch and my hammer, and I want to drive that stem out of the rivet. Once that stem is removed, then I can continue to drill the rest of the rivet out. And as you can see, we have removed the rivet.